What it do, Rich Crew? So today I got my hands on some Yeezy 500s bone white. So I got my hands on today. That's right, we got a new Yeezy pickup. We got the Yeezy 500 in bone white. So what we're gonna do is like I always do. We're gonna do an on-foot look of the Yeezy 500 bone whites, and we're also gonna do a shoe review of the Yeezy 500 in bone white. So stay tuned, stay locked in, and matter of fact, while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Rich Crew. Come on, we need to get those numbers up. Help your boy out. I do shoe reviews. I do shoe on foots. I said on foots. It's not a word. I do shoe on feet looks. How does that sound? May not be grammatically correct, but who cares? But anyway, I do shoe reviews. I do on foot looks. We do some car content. We talk about a little bit of finance as far as investing and things of that nature. And for my BMW enthusiasts, I have an M2 in the garage. So I do a lot of car content with that bad boy. And also, I write books. But I do book reviews on other people's books as well. And I keep you in the loop of what are the best books to read or what books I'm currently reading for the month. So I try to read a book a month, and I advise you to also. But that's not what you're here today for. What you're here today for is these Yeezy 500s. And guess what? You're going to like these. I think you are. Let's go. So now that we've seen the on foot look, let's get to the review. This shoe is a beautiful shoe. Now, yes, they've made the same 500 in pretty much damn near the same color as the blush. Almost. You know, it's very, I think the blush is a little bit darker than the bone white, of course, but they're very, very close in color. But I prefer this one more. I had the blush. I didn't keep it long. I wish I would have kept the shoe, but this right here is a great replacement because it's more closer to the actual color of white. So I'm really digging this shoe. I like the suede materials, of course, that they have here. Very good quality of a shoe. I'm loving this whole crazy 8 design. All my old sneakerheads, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is when Kobe used to, when he was signed with Adidas, they had the crazy, well, they were called Kobe's then, now they call Crazy 8. Or I think the Fred logo, the little guy or whatever. But that's the design they use on the bottom of the shoe, which is Adidas is the technology for the cushion system, which is pretty good. Inside the shoe, they have an Ortholite pad for your feet. Ortholite sole, there we go. They have an Ortholite sole inside the shoe. I showed that earlier and kind of like the detailed look of the shoe, the aesthetics. This shoe is very, very nice though. Very, very beautiful shoe. I like it a lot. Comfort-wise, out of a scale to 1 to 10, I'll give it maybe a 7.5. I've worn, like I said, these are new. So, but the blushes, I had those for a while, and it feels the exact same as the blush, of course. So I'll say same comfort level, 7.5. Not a bad shoe. Doesn't feel like a Ultra Boost or anything like that. And doesn't feel like an NMD. Somewhere in between Ultra Boost and NMD. Different type of comfort, but definitely comfortable. Like walking in these a lot. So these are really good shoes to walk in. Because they're kind of wide, you feel a little bit more stable when you're walking, when your foot is planted on the ground. So definitely like that. I love the design of the shoe. Nice, just a nice shoe overall. We've all seen the Yeezy 500s, like I said, but this is a new colorway. Bone white, Yeezy 500 bone white. Very nice shoe, very detailed. That's what the shoe looks like. We've all seen the Yeezy box by now. So it's a brown box with 500 written on it. And nothing special about that. So with that being said, out of a 10, 1 to 10, how do I like the shoe? 10 being the greatest, 1 being the least. I would say I give this shoe a 9. I like the Yeezy 500. I like most of what the Yeezys are doing right now. I'm looking forward to some of the new stuff like the V3s. I'm pretty sure that's coming soon. I'm really looking forward for the Yeezy basketball shoe, that Quantum. I'm definitely going to get that. Definitely going to cop that shoe. I've been looking for that one for a while. I think everybody has. We've been seeing pictures of it for almost, a year or 2 years now. So it's time for that thing to get released. With that being said, thank you for tuning into my channel. I do shoe reviews. Sometimes this is a little bit more detailed. I'm trying to get better and better at this YouTube thing, so bear with me. I do shoe reviews. I do shoe on looks with a little bit of music here and there. Finance, as far as investments like Robinhood, I'm going to start uploading some more stuff on those topics. Some book reviews for my nerds who like books. I like books. I recommend you guys read 1 book a month. Trust me, it'll change your life. Car content. I love cars, sports cars to be exact. I have an M2, BMW M2. So I'll be showing you some things with that car. We'll be doing some modifications. So if you're into that kind of stuff, stay tuned for the channel for that. So basically, car content, shoes, sneakers, of course, finance, book reviews, and just life in general, man. I just like having fun. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. I'm trying to be more consistent, upload more content. And with that being said, join that rich crew. Rituals, daily practice of building wealth. That's what I'm into. That's what I want you guys to be into. Rich crew. Along the way, we're going to buy some stuff, though. All right. Y'all have a good day. Peace.